What's up everyone, this is Henry here. In today's video, I want to talk about why people are selling their gold and silver. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so I have a few reasons why people might be selling their precious metals. One, um, look at the spot price. I think people are freaking out about spot price, especially with silver. 1864 and gold is closing in on 1600, and a lot of the people who are specifically using precious metals for investing more than like stacking for the long term. So those people want to try to get rich fast or do a lot of flipping to stack. Um, there's a difference between people who's flipping and people who's just investing. I'll talk about that in another video, but basically flipping is what you be seeing in like online auctions and whatnot. They're more likely to flipping the selling to get cash where they can get more silver for a lower price, and obviously they're making a profit from the sales, obviously. And there's nothing wrong with this. With that, it's capitalism. This is America. You can do what you want to do for the most part, for now at least. But people are need to, my in my opinion, I think people just need to calm down and stop freaking out over the markets as well and whatnot. I know the dollar indexes continue to climb. That's why this is declining here, because the dollar is going up for now at least, because the euro is going down because of everything that's going on in Europe and Ukraine and Russia, the war that's going on there. Yes, they're still fighting over there. There's nothing new about that. The news should stop talking about it for now. Um, I think people, just disclaimer before I get into the next thing, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just, talking just to talk. But I think people just need to settle down and hold, the your assets, because pretty sure the precious metals are going to go up within a half year or so when the index starts to go down. Uh, when the dollar index starts to go down, I mean, and then the people who's flat out sold all the precious metals for 18 bucks, 19 bucks are going to be shit out of luck. So what I'm going to do personally is continue to stack and hold what I have now. I am approaching my goal, one of them at least, 50 ounces. I'm approaching that. I'll do a video on that too, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, like, I mean, there's many ways to invest as well. You can do Bitcoin. There's so much stuff to do nowadays. I think people need to get involved in some of this type of stuff if you want to have a chance to get rich. Precious metals is not really the field to do. To get rich fast. It's a slow investment if you do want to invest. You're preserving your wealth for the long term, like I said a million times. It is not a get rich quick type of thing. It's been currency for eons, since the dawn of man, and people should not be losing confidence over the spot price. Spot price is just stats. You can price your silver and gold wherever you want to price it at, to be honest. But if it's too high, no one's going to buy it, because people look at spot price for the most part. And I know people are on the tight budgets and trying to get what they can at, near this price or near this price, or if you're a platinum stacker, near this price. But there's premiums as well, as you see down here. And I don't mind them at all, because one, I'm like I said, I'm not planning on reselling. Probably in the future, more likely I will resell. But as of now, like I said, I'm gonna continue to stack, and hopefully I can get up to 100 ounces, at least in the next 6 to 8 months, somewhere around there, give or take. That'd be a real good goal, to have 100 ounces of silver, and I'm also getting gold as well. So I'm not just stacking silver, I'm getting gold. And then I'm eventually get some platinum and maybe palladium. I don't know. Probably not. But other than that, guys, I just want to talk about this topic here. If you got anything to say, leave it in the comments below. Also, on your way out, make sure you smack that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Click that notification bell. Check out my description below, where you will find my social medias and my merch store. But like I said, I could rant about this for longer if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to hold you guys up. I'm going to be talking about precious metals more often and, gun stuff as well. I'm still recovering from a surgery if you guys haven't been following me. So it's going to take me a little while to do that. So, other than that, hope you guys stay safe, be aware of your surroundings, carry your gun, get prepared, and start stacking. And as always, have a nice day. Take it easy.